If you ever see this sign and you see a tornado nearby, stay away and don't get any closer.
Wait, a tornado! Am I about to fly away or what? Is that dangerous?
I'll explain, but first look at this cute puppy. Bro is getting teased by his owner and looks so funny. If this puppy made you smile, like and subscribe. This poor dog was begging a stranger for food. Drop a heart if this dog deserves food and love. This sign is warning people that this area may have dangerous tornadoes or strong storms. If you ever see a tornado nearby, don't get closer just to record it. Find a safe place immediately.